Thank you for coming today. I'm glad to be with you and even is going on our college named SRIST Technoscope that is conducted by Technical E-Magazine Club of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. On behalf of that, I'm here today to talk to you about contribution of computer science towards helping the environment and slowing down the climate change. Hello, my name is Nilanjan Rao and I'm a student of Computer Science and Technology, first year, Swami Vivekananda Group of Institutes. Now, let's get started. This article is divided into two parts. Firstly, we're going to talk about how computer science is helping the environment. Almost every aspect of our lives is directly or indirectly dependent on the computer and its applications. Among them, some things are used to help by protecting and preserving the environment. Wildlife corridors. Using computers, wildlife corridors are being designed so that the wild can travel safely. Computers assimilate the data about the creatures, environment, and the geography of the area to identify the spaces that can be protected with the least effect on human populations. Global warming. Even though most of the people do agree about global warming's occurrence, but they disagree about its causes. According to some people, it's a natural phenomena, whereas for some, it's happening because of human interventions that could deluge coastal areas and other severe damage. According to an article of Forbes, by collecting and assimilating the data, computers can perfectly predict that what will be going to the environment in the next 1,000 years. This is an impossible task for a human, right? Yeah, but computers can do this task in a very short amount of time. Agriculture. The Environmental Protection Agency have been doing research about chemicals used in the Earth's soil and water for years. Computational toxicology acts as a regulator for fertilizers and pesticides. Now, what is computational toxicology? Basically, it uses mathematics and computer models to understand toxicity mechanisms and predict toxic effects. Having said that, we get to know about stream restoration to understand the presence of certain organisms like nitrogen. It really can negatively affect streams. Again, another question might be swirling around your head that what stream restoration actually means. Well, it's a work conducted to improve the environmental health of a river or a stream. Excess amount of nitrogen can damage human life as it resists the flow of oxygen in our body. We should be thankful to the latest technologies developed in computer science for the betterment and protection of our Mother Earth. Secondly, I will be discussing the role play of computer science to slowing down the climatic changes. Computers do data compilation. Then what data compilation is? Well, it's nothing but the collection of raw data and their transformation into a format that can be easily manipulated or combined with other data in preparation for further analysis. Computers analyze and compare from many years of recorded climate data. Then, by data visualization, they can visualize those data. Another term, data visualization, right? Don't worry, I'm simplifying this to you. So, what is it? Well, in a very simple term, it's the graphical representation of data. For example, it showed in 8 lakh years, carbon dioxide's level has reached its highest level. Shrinking of polar ice and rising of sea level have been also showed by the computers. Data science, that is one of the most trending fields of computer science nowadays. Scientists work on this widely all over the world. They use the data and structure accordingly to show the climate change over a certain time. Firstly, they show change in current state and then predict the future outcomes by implementing machine learning algorithms. Secondly, they show how the changes can affect the human life. In an article of Scientific American magazine, it has been addressed that there is a connection between the burning of fossil fuels and global warming. The model predicts that if uses of fossil fuel not controlled, then it would increase the chances of storms, coastal flooding, and food shortages. Computer science helps scientists to research about the data. Now, social media and computer science educate people about climate change. We all have witnessed about the devouring forest fire in Amazon rainforest. One of the article about it is widely watched, but the government was not much concerned about it and not taking actions. Consequently, people got furious and they organized strikes worldwide. Computer science can also be used to expand renewable energies, means energy that is sustainable, something that can't run out or is endless. Power grids who act as a voltage regulator that are designed by computers. They are used to control the turbines from manufacturers to the consumers. Computers can help us to choose the most effective ways to utilize the resources properly. Now, in the end, the point being to develop a universal mindset about the reality of climate change. In all these cases, computer science and its applications play. That's conclude my presentation. Thank you all for your time, interest and attention. I sincerely appreciate that. I would like to say thank you to the coordinators and special thanks to Sharnali Ghorai ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present to you. Stay safe and stay high. Bye.